wishes on the star. I'm like, and there's Orion's belt, that protection. So beautiful. Well, David, what a show. It's been an amazing show.
This is gone so
Customers are saying, we want to see the bracelet back in.
I love bringing back the Italian jewelry again, the old Italian jewelry we used to do.
Yeah.
But this is
I have chills right now. I literally had
I'm having
chills.
deja vu, by the way.
I know. Deja vu all over again, as Yogi Berra would say. Okay, guys, let's go for it. This has just been amazing. I'm going to pop the necklace back on.
Yep, I can help you.
Do you trust me to wear this for the rest of the show, or do you need this back?
Okay,
I'll give it to Anthony at the end of my shift tonight because I have to leave it on. So obviously we want you to shop backwards and get the beautiful necklace, which is, and also I can't see anything now.
Yeah.
My eyes are gone that close. Look how great that lobster claw clasp went on.
And by the way, it's a pear-shaped lobster claw. It's the easiest lobster claw you can use, so it's easy to put on and put on any of those links.
Look how beautiful it is. I remember you telling me, Jane, do you know how much metal precious metal is in a lobster claw clasp, which is why other people do C-rings? All right, so the necklaces are fresh from the fair, and you told me what, Brian, like 3,000 of the bracelet and over 2,000 of the necklaces have been reserved. That's all you're doing right now. David is going to contact the factory tomorrow.
Take the orders.
And they'll say, okay, you need to make 2,000 necklaces and you need to make 3,000 bracelets. We can't go to 10,000 bracelets, though. They capped it.
Oh, they capped it because they can only, they're at full capacity once this order is placed. They're putting aside all of their other orders in the factory. And this is a factory that does a lot of business with the Americans, with other countries, but they're prioritizing our order. And there you see the bracelets again. I just love the fact that you have the all yellow, then you have that two-tone black, that edgy black that looks so beautiful, the two-tone yellow, which I believe you said was the most popular, and then you have that all silver, and then that rose two-tone, which is so beautiful. Again, the idea that they did, this is so creative, the Italians are so brilliant that they decided to take the all silver, they plated over it, and then they diamond cut through it to give this effect.
Right, and then, David, the best idea, take the necklace and the bracelet and put them together, and now you've extended the length, but also a lot of us say, that 6 3/4 is a little bit too small, or I need more than the 7 1/4 or 7 1/2, but that 8 is a little bit too big. This can be custom made. You could even have, if you wanted to, you know, me with my first piece of silver was a charm bracelet. The chain was made in Italy, and now I got it when I was 8, and now there's 40 charms on it because I'm 63. I mean, this is such an amazing buy at $7 a month on Easy Pay. Now look at this cool montage.